everyone, happy weekend. I thought I would kickstart this video with a little explanation as to what's been going on. So, didn't film last weekend because accidentally ended up eating gluten. If you've watched my other videos, you will notice for the past few weeks I've had some insane digestion issues, and it's become very clear that gluten is a really big trigger for me. I've had various tests at the hospital last week because I was in so much pain and nothing's really coming back. But the thing is, when you test for gluten, you have to be eating it for a consistent period for it to show up. So it's just a very difficult situation. In about 2 weeks, I've actually scheduled an appointment with a kinesiologist who will do muscle testing, food sensitivity testing, lymphatic drainage, just a bit more of a holistic approach to the body so I can really figure out what's going on, because it's really annoying. Last week I literally had like a teaspoon of soy sauce, not realizing that had gluten in, and I could not eat anything for 3 days without agonizing pain. It feels like there's glass like here. It's just horrific. So I thought I'd film what I eat in a day gluten-free, because I think it's a very overwhelming process because a lot of things have gluten in, but it doesn't have to be as hard as it seems. So this is just going to be a standard day. This is nothing fancy. It's kind of late. I had a lie-in. I felt really run down yesterday. I feel like I've got a bit of a cold come in. So I had a massive lie-in this morning. I slept for about 10 hours last night. And I'm just going to have the breakfast that I'm craving, which is peanut butter on toast with jam. That's what I really want. Not super high protein, but it is what it is right now. That's what I fancy. Might have something a bit later, but let's get on with it. I'll take you along with my what I eat in a day gluten-free. I will just mention as well, I am also completely dairy-free at the moment as well, because I am terrified of being triggered, and dairy can be quite a triggering thing for me. My skin, you can't really see because I've got makeup on, but my skin has also flared up massively at the moment. So I'm just trying to limit like inflammatory foods for me. So this is how it's gonna go. I quickly popped out because I really want to do some painting today. I'm just having a bit of a chill day, just because I'm feeling a bit run down. And I've got a cup of this disgusting drink. It's actually cayenne pepper, honey, a garlic clove, an inch of ginger, half a lemon. You put like the whole lemon in. I don't know why my camera keeps going in and out. And then filtered water and boil it. It is so spicy. It literally blows your head off. But I had this morning and my congestion felt so much better. So I made 2 lots of it. So I can have some this afternoon. I am not feeling great, not gonna lie. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna put this down. So I was planning on doing what I eat in a day, gluten free. And now I'm on this like digestive journey of trying to discover what is causing these issues. I keep a little note in my phone of things that are triggering me. And this morning I had the gluten-free bread, which I've had before. I had no issues with it. I had it with a dairy-free butter, was absolutely fine. But this morning I had it with peanut butter and jam and a banana. And then within 20 minutes I was like, agony, I'm in so much pain. I ate like 3 hours ago, and normally I'm hungry quite a lot of the time. I don't feel hunger when this happens. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat lunch now, because it's just this pain. When I get this, if I eat more food, it hurts more and it feels like it's not digesting. So I'm just gonna wait a bit. Don't know what it was that time. The other night I did actually have some dark chocolate with peanut butter, and I said to Sam, oh, I can't have chocolate, it's really hurting my stomach. But now I'm like, is it peanut butter? I don't know. Have no idea what's going on. But hopefully in a couple of weeks, once I've had some muscle testing and food sensitivity testing done, I can figure out what is causing these issues, because I actually figured out this started in August. This has been like 3 months of, oh, this is so spicy. 3 months of just hell. There hasn't been a single week in 3 months where I haven't had at least 3 days of not being able to eat, and I cannot keep doing that. Zip to Hobbycraft because I want to do another canvas for the lounge. So I've got the hallway. Picked up this really long skinny canvas, which I'm going to start today. I'm going to get a hot water bottle and just start my canvas for the hallway. What else did I pick up? I picked up some black paint because I think this one's going to be completely black, and then I'm going to do some white pouring acrylic over the top possibly. So I also picked up some pouring medium and some white paint to do that. I also, oh my gosh, Hobbycraft is so good for Christmas decor and homemade, like making homemade Christmas crafts. Everything's just so expensive at the moment though, I swear. So I went in and I collected, I thought, oh, these are so cute. Some little cones. And then I picked up, oh gosh, I'm sorry, that is so spicy in my throat. I picked up some green ribbon, well, string, I don't know, and some beige string. And I'm just gonna wrap this around those. So I'm gonna do one green and one beige, and I'm gonna pop them somewhere in the house when we start decorating. I have started to collect a few bits and bobs because it's our first Christmas here, so we don't have anything. And I also picked up a ribbon for presents. I think I'm gonna do black paper with green bows, I think. And then I zipped into Dunelm because I ordered some new Christmas bedding. So we have a really cute Christmas bedding, which isn't like extra festive, so we can put it on now. But I thought we need to rotate, so we need one in between the washes. So I picked up this, which is really cute. It's a reversible one. Ooh. And it's got, you can't really see, it's got like little snowy houses, and you know, like the red Christmas car. Why is that a thing? I don't know. But yeah, it's got little snowy, and then the back of it is just dotty, so you can pop anything with that, so I quite like that. So yeah, that's what I collected today. I was hoping, sorry I sound really bunged up, to film dinner last night, but literally couldn't digest at all. After my lunch, I was in excruciating pain, so I didn't eat. I actually didn't eat for about 24 hours. And then I had a really light lunch, but my stomach, like today, doesn't feel great. I just really don't know what's going on with me. But I will try and film dinner tonight because I'm hoping that I will be okay enough to eat that. Fingers crossed. I might even do a workout, although I'm a bit run down, I'm not sure. Yes, I'm going to film dinner tonight so you can see what we're eating. We're having my family around. So, yeah. Mum, they're the worst things in the world to fit. My skin. Oh my gosh, my voice is completely going. I've just had a bath. It's actually kind of late, but really want something sweet. So gonna make some hot chocolates for me and Sam. And that's how I'm gonna finish the night. Yeah, that's what I eat in a day, gluten and dairy free currently. Oh my gosh. These are so good. My favorite snack. Right, that is not what I'm supposed to be letting out. Okay, I've bought this chocolate. I don't think it has any milk in. It's 85% cocoa, so probably not the best thing to have before bed, but I just don't care. So I'm gonna do, maybe not all of that, I'll maybe do 6 squares for me, and then I'll do Sam's after. And then add almond milk, and I've also got this plant-based whipped cream, which I'm going to put on top. Did you know, like, so many non-dairy milks have gluten in, which is really annoying. Rude Health doesn't though, and the almond Rude Health is really nice, and it's really good in a matcha as well. Right, let's let this melt and make a nice hot chocolate. Has anyone else ever just been extra from birth and always drink out of a wine glass? I've drank out of a wine glass since I was a kid. Not wine, just water and juice. I'm also going to add some of this unflavoured collagen powder. I've been using this instead of a protein powder. 2 scoops is around 20 grams of protein, and it'll just finish off my protein intake for the end of the day quite nicely. I try to include this, especially if my digestion's bad, because at least I'm getting some sort of nutrients in. I've done 2 scoops of that. Yeah, 2 scoops is 20 grams. Is that 20 grams of protein? Cool. I have just come to bed with my hot choc and my little gluten-free Christmas biscuit. I'm gonna do a little dream life meditation.